Good day, everybody. I am here, Hossam Hamdy, Project Director on Azizi Venice. We have 3 phases here actually. We have phase 1, which is around 64 buildings, and phase 2 is 109 villas. We have phase 3 is 40 buildings plus boulevard. Our man-force here is 11,000 people. They are working day and night to achieve our target. With all categories, including infrastructure, including structure team, finishing team, fit-out team, facade, GRC, everybody. We remain committed to complete our project, Azizi Venice, in timely and quality manner to the high standard.